After Mother Nature dumped a fresh blanket of snow on West Michigan, we have the chance for another winter storm late this week.
And Storm Teammate tells us you'll really want to take into account when you make your travel plans the timing of all of this. Meteorologist Blake Harms is at the tracking center now with a closer look at what we can expect. Blake.
Yeah, that's right, Michelle and Emily. I've already fielded a few phone calls from friends asking, should I change my travel plans for later this week? The answer is potentially, yeah. Here's a look at one of the weather models that we're using to try to pinpoint the exact location of the storm. There's still going to be fluctuations, but it shows a strong low pressure system. We're centered over the Saginaw Bay City area and heavy snow across much of southern Michigan. Considering what the low would be right over us, that would also mean some strong winds. So we're talking about a potential for some near blizzard conditions at times Friday into Saturday. And I'll have more on that coming up in a bit. We've had a very snowy start to the season. We're up to 42.8 inches in Grand Rapids through yesterday. Our average for this time of year is 18.5. We saw 13.9 at this point last year. And at this point in 2020, we had seen 0.4. That was the fourth slowest start to our winter in terms of snowfall. Yeah, this one this year is our fourth highest start to snowfall. So what a difference 2 years can make, and we could add it onto that total pretty significantly by the end of the week. Here's a look at temperatures across West Michigan. 26 in Grand Rapids. We're at 27 in Allegan and Kalamazoo, 28 in Holland and South Haven, 29 in Muskegon. Winds have turned much lighter than they were earlier this morning. We saw wind chills down in the teens through a good portion of the day. We've seen some improvement in that department. A wind at 3 miles per hour in Grand Rapids, 5 miles per hour in Kalamazoo. Storm Track Live shows cloudy skies. We expect overcast conditions to continue through the evening. It's kind of a gloomy afternoon across West Michigan, including here at Grand Valley's campus in Allendale. Your evening planner shows temperatures pretty steady in the low to mid 20s, overcast skies, wind chills occasionally dipping down in the teens. Coming up, though, we have a closer look at that potential winter storm and what kind of impacts we could see here in West Michigan.